looked around, I began to notice that we were nothing like the rest. Hold your horses now, till the sun goes down, through the woods sweet ride. Hold your horses now, till the sun goes down, through the woods sweet ride. We sleep until the sun goes down. We sleep until the sun goes down.
Holy shit.
We sleep until the sun goes down. Hold your horses now. Through the woods we ride. Hold your horses now. Through the woods we ride. Hold your horses now. Through the woods we ride. Hold your horses now. Through the woods we ride. We sleep until the sun goes down. We sleep until the sun goes.
Yeah. Nice one, man. Nice one. Did someone cut you off back there?
Yep.
Sound-
Just seen a fucking thing right off.
Yeah, I heard the horn.
He kept on the horn and he wouldn't get out of my way. You should have a camera on you. Hey, he's probably fucking back giggling away at me. Old bastard, you fucking old bastard. Get the fuck out of my way, you old bastard.
Caught the toe today.
Hey?
Took my foot right off.
Fucking
That's
giggling
okay.
away at me.
Didn't twist my ankle or nothing. I was like, that's fine. I'll take it.
It's a young man's sport.
You just tone her down. You're all good.
Ah, fuck, I can't go any slower. Turtle passed me back there.
A few moments later.
Dude, you smoked me right in the elbow.
How was that?
Oh,
You hesitated and I capitalized. Well, Bill's got to stand up. Well, I got no choice now. What? Am I going to go back up that hill? Yeah. I don't fucking think so. You totally could. No way. Absolutely. Yeah. Ah, okay. Let's go.
Thanks, man. It's actually not that bad.
Looks like a midget in that fucking bike. Fucking legs are so long. No. Wow. I'll go that way. I ain't going that way.